Red Light, Green Light, Squid Games Edition, requires 2 players. Each player spams the red button to advance along the track. Players are only able to move when the doll, known as Young He, is facing away from them. When she is turned forwards towards the players, they must stop pressing the button. If they press the button when she is turned, they will be sent backwards a short distance. To win, one player must reach the end of the track and avoid getting caught while doing so.
Here you can see the total CAD assembly for our Squid Games Red Light Green Light toy. The non-trivial mechanism on the inside creates the motion you're seeing here, with the player moving back and forth as the participant pushes the red button in the front. Our second non-trivial mechanism, a servo, creates Young-Hee's head motion for a 180-degree turn back and forth. Here you can see the exploded assembly of our toy. On the inside, you can see the different components we used, such as breadboards, an ESP32, a battery, and a servo. You can also see our lead screw stepper motors that move the players back and forth. Here is an up-close look as to how we got this non-trivial mechanism to function properly.
Next, I will talk about the assembly between the lead screw stepper motor and the player figurines, and this was done with a 3D printed carriage, such that the player figurine could easily be screwed on or off. So as you can see here, the brass nut that comes with the lead screw stepper motor is press fitted into the carriage, and that has a rod extending from it, and external threads were created on the rod via Creo, the helical sweep feature, and this went through many iterations, changing the rod height and the inner diameter of the helical sweep such that it could 3D print perfectly without needing any extra machining from the machine shop. And then this was combined with the player figurine, which was given a nominal hole diameter of 5/16 inch and then hand tapped later to 3/8 to have it easily screw on to the carriage as shown here, such that the lid could be put on and off without needing to undo everything.
Moving into the manufacturing, the actual box itself was made through woodworking using the bandsaw and drills for the screws. All of the other parts, including the players, the carriage stepper motor mount, the servo mount, and the LCD display enclosure were all 3D printed and assembled together accordingly. Moving into the integration of all of the electronic components, each part was tested separately, including the stepper motor, the LCD display, the servo, and the speaker, and then integrated into one finite state machine, which worked with the entire gameplay.